going on YouTube? It's Jeff from Revline. Just want to have a little unboxing video of these Vane engine stands. These guys make stands for swapped B series, K series, J series, F, D, Mitsubishi, I think Ford G63, and believe another one. But here we are. We're gonna open up the box and see how nice they look. All right, cut off the tape here, over here, slice down the middle. All right, everybody loves popcorn. If you guys don't know, Vane engine stands, they pretty much opened to the public earlier this year. They've started getting a lot of traction. We're happy to say we are the second dealer they've brought on board with their products. Really can't wait to use these. Got a nice little note here. Let's see what it says. So this is our B series engine stands. Welcome to the Vane Stands family. Here are your orders. We have these B series and K24 swaps in the box and the K24 lean in another. So we do have another one that we are using for my personal drag car. As you guys know, it's the 97 hatchback with a K24 all motor setup. Just waiting on that with the lean setup. They've been a little backed up from all the orders. It's been going pretty good for them in sales, so that's great news for any company opening up and starting out. So let's see if we can start getting this out of the box. You can see these are powder coated, which are really nice. I'll kind of lean back here. They have their decal right there to let you know what this is for. These are also labeled A here, B here, D, and as you can see over here, C. So I'm assuming that allows us to know for which bracketry and stuff to put on and where to put it on. We'll go ahead and put this aside. All right. And here is the K24 swap. A lot of guys that aren't familiar, the K-Series engines, depending on which engine code it has, they have different mounting points. So if you have a K24 A2, it may be different from a K24 A4, and so on and so forth. So when you're ordering, just make sure that you get the correct engine stand per your engine code or block. Got a couple stickers here. Thank you very much for that. Also, another thing, you guys can get these powder coated in their standard colors as far as options, or there is custom colors that you can get with them on getting, or get with us, and we'll help you guys figure out what color options that you want. Okay, so this one here is for the B series. Here are the casters to put on the bottom of that. After we get that all put together, we'll go ahead and separate these up. And here are the legs for the K24 swap. After everything is out of the box, here's pretty much what you're gonna get per kit. You'll get the base, you'll get the brackets and stands, you'll get the casters here, and the hardware kit. This should be pretty easy to put together. Looks pretty simple. I'm assuming once we open this, these are all labeled, as you can see where they go, which makes it really easy. And then these come with some pretty heavy duty casters, so they'll hold up some weight. We'll get these all cut up and then we'll assemble it real quick. Okay, so here are some basic tools that you're gonna need. I'm gonna be using an impact razor blade if you wanna cut the bags open and whatnot a little bit easier. You can use your teeth if you wanted to, not really suggested. Something sharp to cut it open. Now here's an 11 millimeter, a 14 millimeter, 17 millimeter, and a 19 millimeter sockets. I use 3/8 since I'm using the impact here. Same thing with the wrenches. You got your 11, 14, 17, and 19. Those are going to be your basic tools to get this thing assembled. Okay, so now that we have our tools, what we want to do is go ahead and take these apart and get them all separated so we can start assembling it. Just take your razor blade, assuming this is for the bracketry, but let's start with the casters, kind of work our way up. These are pretty heavy duty casters, so just unscrew the nut from it and put it on each corner through the holes. Do that on all four corners. We'll just get them snug before tightening it all up. What I'm doing is I'm putting the locks on one side because there's going to be 2 casters with locks, 2 without. And then we'll set this on the floor, let it stand on its own, or roll around on its own before we tighten them down. Okay. As you can see, pretty easy to roll around. And we'll just tighten it up. This takes a 17 millimeter. Alright, that's pretty snug there. Now we're going to take our legs and just cut them out of the packaging. Okay, this goes to be, I'm assuming the lettering is going to be the same direction as where it's located on the base itself. So stick the lettering where it's facing the sticker on the lettering on the leg, lettering on the base. Stick that on there. Do the same with the others. So this is C, which goes this direction here. This is A. And the final one is D. All right. In the bag of hardwares, as you can see, there's these copper bronze bolts on the bottom. They do go and bolt through your legs to the stand in order for them to be sturdy. Comes with 4 nuts and 4 bolts. We will stick them through, put the nut on. You don't have to tighten them all the way, just get them snug. That way you can make some adjustments once the engine actually gets on there before tightening it up. Okay, so these two, I'm sorry, there's 2 other bigger nuts along with bolts that are going to be going through each point of the bracket to mount to the engine to make things a little bit easier. You don't really have to buy anything else. All the hardware comes with it to make this a pretty simple and quick install. I hope you guys have enjoyed the short video we put together about the Vane engine stands. If you guys have any questions, reach out to us. You can drop a comment below. You can email us at sales@revlinekc.com. These are also available on our website, www.revlinekc.com. Please like and subscribe. If you have any other videos you want to see, just let us know, and we'll do our best to get that out for you guys. Appreciate your time.